I'm doing a vlog. No! No one does vlogs these days. Okay, so what I'm really here for is to review this. The Wave 4 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Now, I've already had a look over this and it's quite cool. I mean, they've actually done a lot of these, but... So, let's get into the detail. As you can see on the handle, it's got a nice crackly effect. You can look closely, it's all like grey, which is quite cool, quite accurate to the show. There's this slider, which looks like the activation button, but no. Trying to make it like the actual prop, which doesn't really do well. It's tricking people. Or the little blue line here with the buttons. At the end we've got a sort of silver end with a black part here, and quite cool. At the top here we've got this little, I'll just extend that a little bit, there's some teeth, as you can see here. There's a sort of cage with a pillar in the middle, right here, pillar. And then you can see at the top it's got like a blue dome where the emitter comes out. Okay, so enough with the detail, because hang on, it's not done yet. Here we've got got a ball section up here, silver. Then we've got this cage, sort of like more silver part here, glass dome with the teeth, everything. The main part, this is the black helix core, which is actually quite cool. So. How about some sound effects? It has 2 from the classic era and 2 from the New Who series. Okay, so here's the 2 from the Return series. Quite similar, but the last one's a bit high pitched. And here's the classic series. If you didn't notice, if you look, it's got the blue LED. That, I don't believe it, a lot of these don't have. Now, this button only works when it's in closed mode. This one doesn't. But it's fully extended. Then this, then this button works. And this one becomes useless. So that's pretty much the 10th Doctor's Wave 4 Sonic Screwdriver. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again on a video, and I am out. Bye.